Slightly nervous laughter. Okay, here we go. Deep breaths. It's just ... It's just hair, right? That's what I keep telling myself. My girlfriend said it would be fine. She said, "You'll love it," but right now, my hands are telling a different story. They're basically super glued to this chair. My knuckles are white. Is it normal for your heart to sound like a drum solo before a wax? I think I can actually hear it. Sound of a quick, sharp breath. Okay, there it is. The wax. It's warm. Warmer than I thought. Not bad, actually. The esthetician. She has this incredibly calm look on her face, like she does this 100 times a day, which, I guess she does. I give her this look, like, "Are you sure about this?" And she just smiles. A gentle knowing smile that says, "Trust me." And for some reason, I do. Sound of a quick rip, followed by a sharp intake of breath. Whoa. Okay. That was ... fast. It wasn't the searing, unimaginable pain I had built up in my head for weeks. It was a sting. A quick, sharp hello. And then, nothing. Just ... Gone. I'm just staring at the ceiling. My eye did a little twitch thing, but the overwhelming feeling isn't pain. It's relief. And this thought just echoes in my head. Crystal clear. Why was I so afraid of this? It feels ridiculous now. All that anxiety, all that buildup, for a split second of discomfort. "You're doing great," she says, her voice smooth and steady. The first one is always the mental hurdle. Ready for the next one? And you know what? I am. I nod, this time with a bit more confidence. Bring it on. Sound of another rip, but less dramatic. Easier. My grip on the chair loosens. My shoulders, which were up by my ears, start to drop. It's becoming a rhythm. The warmth of the wax, her calm voice, the quick pull, and then the strange, satisfying smoothness that's left behind. We chat a little about the weather, about weekend plans. It's normal. It's not some medieval torture chamber I had imagined. It's a clean, professional salon, and I'm just a guy getting some unwanted hair removed. The fear is completely gone, replaced by a weird sense of curiosity. I can't wait to see the final result. All done, she announces, and hands me a mirror. My heart does a little flutter, but this time it's anticipation. I take a hesitant look. And then I look again. It's perfect, smooth, clean. I run my hand over the skin, and it's just, wow, I can't help it. This huge, goofy smile spreads across my face. It's a smile of pure disbelief. I look at myself in the mirror, and it's like a fog has lifted. It was never just about the hair. It was about feeling self-conscious at the pool, about always choosing the t-shirt over the tank top on a hot day. It was about those little moments of insecurity that pile up, day after day, until they feel like a heavy jacket you can't take off. All those memories flash through my mind. The time I avoided taking my shirt off at the beach. The way I'd strategically angle myself in photos. The constant low-level buzz of being uncomfortable in my own skin. It's amazing how something so small can carry so much weight. As I walk out of the salon, I feel lighter, my shoulders are back, my head is held high. I feel a sense of freedom I haven't felt in years. It's more than just smooth skin. It's a mental reset. A feeling of taking control over something that secretly controlled me. I get home, and my girlfriend sees me. She stops, her eyes go wide, and then she just bursts out laughing. Not a mean laugh, but a joyful, surprised one. "Wow," she says, "you actually did it. How was it?" I just shake my head, still smiling. "It was fine," I say, but my expression says so much more. She sees it immediately. She sees the change, not just on my skin, but in my eyes. The confidence, the release. I came in for a wax. I thought I was just dealing with some hair, but I left with something so much more valuable. I left feeling more like myself. It's not just hair removal. For me, it was a form of healing. Thanks so much for watching my journey. It was a little nerve-wracking to share, but if it helps even one person feel less anxious about trying something new for themselves, it's worth it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.